Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to review about Dot and Key lip balm. You can see that it comes with a cute package like a cherry only. So it's a barrier repair hydrating lip balm with SPF 50 PA+++. Cherry crimson is the flavor and it is tinted. And there is goodness of plant butter and it is 4.5 grams. So they claim that it hydrates the lips, repairs and protects from sun rays, and also gives glossy shine in every swipe. So the MRP is 249 rupees and I got it from Amazon for 199 rupees. Yeah, that's about it. The lip balm looks like this. Yeah, it's cute. You can see. Let's open it. Yeah. See? This is much long and it's tinted. So you get that shine. See, a little tint is there, so that color you can make out. So I tried this, so it gives that shiny look and glossy and it doesn't feel sticky, and it's really good for everyday use. Like you no need of applying lipstick, it only gives the tint and that cherry color will be there, so it looks too good on your lips. So please do try it. I would recommend this. I would give it a 4.5 star out of 5. Thank you.